Well, now that the first Light Model 5 is sold, I took the time to clean the shed up and try to get it better organized. You can see I've added toolboxes in here because my tools were all over the place most of the time. And I managed to get the van a little closer to the wall this year. So I have gained about a foot of space. So I'll have lots of room for cutting, and I brought the trailer in. You can see it's been painted black, trying to preserve the plywood. And what I'm doing now is, I had a lot of questions about the other one, like putting a diesel heater in, which I think would be a great idea. The only problem with it is most diesel heaters burn really hot. So I think you would be continually running it on a low power setting unless you get a really small one. And then they clog up with soot. But in order to do it, this window is exactly the same size as the two big windows on the first Model 5. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to send these windows back, or this window back, because it got dented when it was shipped here. And you can see the damage there to the corner. I could probably straighten it out, but really, Amazon lately has been terrible for deliveries to us. I ordered 2 of these windows. One of them got sent to Kitchener, and nobody got sent to pick it up and deliver it to me. So we got the money back for that one. And this one arrived here okay, but then I found a hole in the box, and inside, right where the hole was, the window was damaged. So I have to send it back. I wanted to keep it so that I have a reference for making the holes in the walls, which this time I'm going to make all the holes for the windows and everything ahead of time while the material is still on this flatbed trailer, which I think will speed things up a bit and make things a little more accurate. But what I wanted to show was, this is a piece of PVC lumber. It's, I think it's called, let's see, yes, it's called Veranda. This was a 2x4 foot sheet, and I cut it approximately 16 by 26 and a half. Now I tried to slip it in with it sitting on the window, but I realized the only way to get this in was by having it blind area and bug screen area upside down. So in other words, you'll have to slide it in from the outside of the trailer with the window open. But you'd have a nice big blank canvas to cut holes for a diesel heater or for a portable air conditioner that you want to keep outside. And because there is weather stripping, you can't really see, I guess you can sort of see it there, and you can see it over here. This should make a pretty good seal. Now, rather than using expensive PVC lumber, you could also just use, if you could find some 3/4 inch styrofoam. I've only found it in the white EPS, but if you could find some XPS in 3/4 of an inch, it'd probably be a lot cheaper. And well, definitely a lot cheaper, because a 2x4 sheet of PVC lumber is $63 Canadian. But at any rate, it's been an easy way to drill a couple of holes and remove it when you're not using the heater or the air conditioner and not ruin your window. And also not drill too big holes in the side of your trailer or van. All right, that's it for now. As you can see, I've also got 2 rolls of Filon. It's a darker color this time, but that's all that was available to me. At any rate, I now have enough Filon to build most of the next camper. Okay, have a good night. Thanks for watching, and thanks to everybody that's subscribed.